guys, I just got home and I was out running errands today, looking at some new houses for me and my husband to move into. And when I got back, I found a little box on my doorstep, and I'm pretty sure it's my wigs. Okay, I just ordered a few wigs, so I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing. I cannot wait to wear them. And so let's get right to it. I'm pretty sure I ordered 3 wigs. I'm super excited about them. I keep a little knife in my vanity, so let's use this. Always be safe and always protect your neck. Ooh. I'm super excited about them. Alright, so here's my invoice. I spent a total of $110 on 3 wigs. I'm super nervous to see how they are. Not really nervous, more excited. So let's look at this first one. So this is the box that it came in. I got just, one, black. It's a lace front wig. Let's see how it is. I mean, it shows you the picture of it right here. It's just a middle parted, like bob, I guess. Let's see how much this one costed me. This one was $35.99. So not bad. I gotta pop the top. I think I'm gonna really like this one. I do. I think that. Ooh. Oh my god. Oh shit. It's nice. I mean, I don't know. I've never had a lace front this nice before. The hair feels natural but thick, which is good. And full. Ooh, this is a good lace front, y'all. And like it's clipped to this thing. But do you see this nice lace front and how plucked it is in the part? This, like all the way to the crown to the front, it is plucked so well. You don't even have to do any of that. There is no need for that. Oh, y'all, I cannot wait for this business. Like, see, you can see me through it. It is so nice. Do you see that? I mean, it looks like, now that I'm looking at it in the camera, it looks like a little thin up here, but like, honestly, that's really not a problem. Like, the hair itself feels thick and full. Y'all, it is so nice. Y'all, where my wig cap at? I tried to order more wig caps through the site, but they were all out of all of them. I got these from glamourtrust.com. I see like cheap wigs on there a lot, so I try to get them for the sales. Oh, it's just like really thick. It just feels so nice. Like, I know this is not gonna tangle easily. I know it's not. Oh, shoot. It is just so gorgeous, y'all. Oh, all right, let me just put that to the side. Let me just put that one to the side. All right, and now, and that one was done by Red Carpet. The brand is Red Carpet. I got this model wig. I was about to slip out the bottom. Fancy curl in pink gold. But that's it right there. And I've been looking for a curly wig for a while now. And I've kind of liked this color. So yeah. Let's take it out the box. Ooh. This one came with like a foam insert with it as well, so that's nice. This is more of a side parted one. Oh, but these curls look so nice. Oh, it's stuck to the clip inside the wig cap. Oh, you know what? I didn't even see if the other one had clips. I don't think it did. Shit. Alrighty, so here we are. This one is well plucked too. If you can see that, you can see the white styrofoam underneath the white foam. I really love these curls. The top is more brown than it is like a black. But I think if I just put like, you know, makeup along my hairline, it'll blend well. I shouldn't have too much of a difficulty. And it's got like some baby hairs, sort of. I don't know, just some little wisps. Oh, I can't wait to try these on. All right. I mean, just look at this. Look, it feels nice and soft. And these ringlets are beautiful. I won't brush it out too much or at all, really, just because it will turn into a fro. You don't, and if that's not the look that you're going for, then I wouldn't do that. So yeah, it's well plucked. It looks good. Ooh, it's gonna look so good. Oh, can't wait. And this one was $37.99 on Glamour Trust. So yeah. And it wasn't added $3, so it's really $34.99 if you wanted just like natural color. So yeah, let's get this other one. This one comes in like a whole box. This is the cis, like the Zuri cis wig, the Beyond one, and this is the Nikki wig. It says that it has baby hair with it too, if you need the baby hairs. I might use those. And it's 48 inches long, right? And I got it in a one in this too. I wanted a really long one in black. And when they first came out, they were all out. Every single one that was over 40 inches, over 30 inches, but all of like the 40 plus wigs that are Nicki Minaj inspired were all sold out as soon as they came out, and they were a lot more expensive than what I had bought this for. It is super long, so like almost two, like it's about 2 of my arm lengths. Not my whole wingspan, but I don't think, at least. Yeah, here, let's do that. Yeah, so like, man, this shit long. I'm gonna wear this shit to Pride. Oh my god. Oh my god, you guys. My cat's trying to play with the hair like it's a fucking toy. Back the fuck up off my wig. Oh my god. It is so beautiful, y'all. Like, I can't even, Yes, it is thin, but like, you don't want like something super heavy. And like, when like you have really long hair, it tends to be thinner, you know, because like the nutrients have to spread out much farther than short hair. Oh god. And you can see this one is plucked very well too. Like, none of these I have to do any plucking on. Nada. Oh, and like, it does come with little baby hairs right here. You can see the little curls right here. So it does come with like these little curls here. I'm gonna take this right. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm so excited about this one. I was so excited about all of them. I know you bitch know how to rock a wig. But like, so yeah, like it does have like here and here. This motherfucker. Yeah, it is so long. Here, like I gotta like get up to show y'all how long this wig is. Oh my god. Just look at it. Just look at it. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's so beautiful. Holy crap. It's amazing. And it feels really nice too. I can tell that it'll tangle easily, but you know, like if you just put some product in it to kind of like keep it together and not super loose and just take good care of it, this wig gonna last me forever. Oh my god, I cannot wait to go out and fucking, y'all can't even fucking spell Milan. I'm sorry. It is just so beautiful. Like, yeah, I'm gonna be sitting on this bitch. I'm gonna be doing Cher impressions with this bitch. I'm gonna be doing Nicki impressions with this bitch. Oh my god. You guys, this wig is like so gorgeous and it feels so nice. And man, all Glamour Tress really know what they doing, man. Like, the quality of these wigs, and they're synthetic wigs, but they lace fronts, they fucking look so good. This one's got fucking baby hairs. Like, I ain't gotta snip the ends and or nothing. Not that I need to. I already have baby hairs because I'm white, and I never grew out of them. They there. See, all I gotta do is slick them down with this toothbrush. They ain't going nowhere. Oh my god, it's a beautiful wig. I have to try on all the wigs right now. So yeah, immediately after this video will be a try on video. Oh my god, I cannot wait. Just look at her. She is so beautiful. All right, guys. Well, that's all that I have for today. And I'll make a try-on video. I'll put some makeup on and I'll make a try-on video. And I am super psyched about it. I'm so... Look at this bitch. How much did she cost, too? Ugh. This one was like not that expensive either. Where did I put my invoice? Now I'm mad. Where'd it go? Hold on. $36.79. That's how much she costed. $36.79 for 48 inches. That's less than $1 per inch. I am not complaining. I am not complaining. Oh God, it's so beautiful. Oh God. See, look at this. Look at this. Oh, just so lovely. Yeah, so stay tuned for a try-on video. And I can't wait to see you guys next time. Bye.